Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm Andrea.
And I'm Gus.
Today we're going to share a great method on how to earn money through the Etsy platform using print on demand.
We have never talked about how to take advantage of the world of print on demand through the Etsy platform, which has a very high potential because allow us to receive a lot of organic traffic and therefore potential customers willing to buy our products.
So we recommend that you watch this video until the end because we will show you a method that can allow you to earn up to $100 a day completely free and with zero investment by using two platforms, exploiting print on demand and the organic traffic within Etsy.
As always, to support all this work, we only ask you to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment on this video. Well, the first thing to understand is exactly what print on demand is.
In short, print on demand means printing on demand. So we'll have the possibility to create products and sell them within, as for this example, Etsy.
And when that particular product is purchased, the platform we'll use, we will create and ship the product to the customer. What we have to do is create a design or a logo to insert into its catalogs and sell them within the Etsy platform. It's really simple.
There are many people who are making excellent profits, and today we will see how to start from scratch. The truly fantastic thing, gentlemen, is that we can do all of this completely free. We won't need to buy any stock or products, but instead we'll print them on demand.
The platform we'll be using to create our graphic and product to sell on Etsy is Printify. As we can see, Printify offers us a variety of products that we can start customizing and selling.
And unlike Redbubble and many others platforms, Printify also allow us to connect our Etsy store to this platform. So everything will happen completely automatically because we'll have the supplier who will create the product for us and we sell them inside Etsy.
When the product is purchased, Printify will ship it to the customer. But how do we create a product on this platform? And especially, how can we connect our store?
The first thing to do, obviously, to create a product is to choose a specific niche. In this case, choose a specific niche that allow us to have as little competition as possible.
After we choose the product to sell, we need to create a design or a logo. And to make things easy, we can use Canva. Canva is a free online tool and very straightforward to use. So, with these two steps, we are ready to sign up to Printify platform.
After registering and entering all the required information, we have access to a catalog where we can create virtually anything. Hats, necklaces, mugs, phone cases, and much more.
We can find everything we need here. For example, let's take a random product like face mask or neck warmer. In this case, we can see that we have created a suitcase with some cats printed on it.
Of course, we have created something quick as example for this video, so don't take it into consideration. If you want to copy our product, you can find our listing on Etsy. So, when someone purchases this suitcase, we earn 10% margin. Of course, you can sell your product at $100 to $100. It all depends on how much profit you want to make.
As we mentioned, the earnings on this product is 10% and the total cost for the client is roughly $225, as we also need to consider the cost of production and shipping, which we don't need to worry about as Printify will manage everything for us.
Once the product is purchased, the order will automatically go to Printify and the platform itself will take care of producing and shipping the product to the customer.
Let's say we want to create a t-shirt. In this case, we can see that the price of a t-shirt is $7. And we know that we can sell it for $25, making more than 10% profit. By selecting the t-shirt, we can create our product and the supply provides us with all the available color and sizes.
Let's suppose we're going to create a t-shirt with this supplier. Here we have the possibility to create everything. Let's click on my device to upload the logo or design, or go to my library if already uploaded some logos or patterns, and we can customize it the way we want it.
In just a few clicks, we have created a great product that we can now sell on Etsy and make profit doing absolutely nothing else. Making money online is not easy, but neither impossible, and we want to remind you that down in the description we are going to leave the link to BitGet, which allows you to get 15% discount on trading fees.
BitGet, guys, is a cryptocurrency exchange that gives us the opportunity to trade using leverage and many other great features. In fact, it's one of the most widely used exchange in the world.
And the best of all is copy trading, which means copying the strategies of professional traders by automatically opening their operation and even having the chance to earn money without doing anything, depending of course on the trader you're going to follow.
Now let's go back to us and choose the colors for the product. In this case, we can select various colors available that will be then published on the Etsy platform. Here we can also see a preview of our product, and the fantastic thing is that we don't even have to create the photos to be published on Etsy.
So let's move on and publish our product. Here in my product section we have the possibility to see the t-shirt we have just created. Now the only thing left for us to do is to connect our Etsy shop and publish the product we just created on the platform.
In this case, just go up here and connect our shop, and we can see that in addition to Etsy, we also have the possibility to create product on eBay, Wix, WooCommerce and Shopify. So let's connect and access Etsy and give it the OK, and we are done.
We have now connected our product to Etsy. From here we can automatically publish the product on Etsy platform. Simply click on these dots and select Publish. We also have the option to edit photo and description.
We are going to select the main photo to be used on Etsy and add in the description. In the price section, if we want to make a profit of $10, we can sell the t-shirt for $18. If we want a higher profit, of course, we can increase the price. We have full control over everything.
Once everything is set, it is important to go back and edit the product listing on Etsy. We can modify the price and all other details. I highly recommend adding effective tags to the listing, and then we can view the listing for the product we just created in about 5 minutes.
And remember that once you found your niche, you can create up to 20 products per day and potentially earn a significant amount of money over time. It all depends on your effort and dedication. The possibilities are endless.
Of course, if you work with constancy and determination, we can assure you that great results can be achieved.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we really recommend using this platform if you want to start selling physical products on Etsy. And having said that, I hope this video has been really helpful for you.
If so, the only thing we ask is that you leave a like and subscribe to the channel, activating the notification bell to stay updated. Goodbye, and I will see you soon in the next video.